Let's start out with one thing that's unhinged before we get to anything else. I want to start out with one thing before we get into the crazy, before we get into the insanity. I do want to start out with one thing that a lot of people wanted me to cover, but it's not yet a legal issue. But it is Jack Doherty and what happened with his McLaren. Now, in case y'all didn't know, that this weirdo, Jack Doherty, has been permanently banned from Kick because he used his phone while driving to stream, right? And as he was streaming and checking the chat, he crashes McLaren. And even Kick, which allows you to say some crazy ass shit, banned him, right? So let me just show you guys like a couple seconds of this video. I mean, it's kind of important to show you guys this because this is exactly what you don't want to do as a streamer. Let's pull this up right here.
Twitter, and I finally found the full video.
Here it is.
Dangerous when you're watching your phone. I gotta read chat.
I gotta read chat is the craziest thing ever.
Now listen, I do a lot for chat, but if I have a McLaren, I am not driving my McLaren while reading chat. I love you guys, but I'll do anything for love, but I won't do that.
Even in a hurricane,
but I won't read chat.
You know I love you.
So this is the moment he crashes.
Show us the road.
While checking chat.
To try to figure the road every now and then. Yeah.
Dude, on his phone, look at the rain.
Hey,
Not to mention, this dude has like 6 different cars. I'm pretty sure he has a Tesla SUV, which would drive 1,000,000 times
in a
better.
hurricane.
I don't know why he chose
in a hurricane.
McLaren. And then he floors it right here. This car is so light.
No!
Yeah, and that's it.
No, watch out.
So let me speed this up. Let me speed this up here. So he gets out of his car, right?
Samsung.
Insane.
Let me fast forward here.
That in mind. Dude, his filmer is bleeding out of his fucking skull right now. Keep that in mind.
So yeah, that's the point. So he's got a guy who's like filming his shit and he's bleeding. He's just crashed. And he's like, yo, keep filming. Yeah, this is insanely reckless driving. This is like gross negligence. So any cop can view this video and use this against him in a court of law. See, this is the thing. A lot of people think what you put on social media is not usable against you in a court of law. This is going to come into place with a lot of the stuff we're going to talk about today. Yeah, gross negligence is best. I mean, I think it's like wanton disregard because he's doing this knowing he could crash and he does it anyways. It's insane. And then he has him flip the phone so he gets it at a better angle while he's out of the car. I'm not going to show all that crap because fuck this guy, promoting him. But this is why, number one, these Kick streamers and these streamers that are nuisance streamers that are just doing these things for the views should not only be banned, they need to be criminally prosecuted. And they can be. All of this evidence, even if he deletes, even if he's banned off of Kick, can be used against him. These streamers need to be prosecuted. I think they need to be, because that's the only way you correct this behavior, is if people go to jail for doing this sort of shit.